What is your favorite type of food?
My favorite type of food is Algerian food. I love the flavors of the spices, the freshness of the vegetables, and the richness of the meats. Some of my favorite Algerian dishes include couscous, tagine zitoun, and kesra.
What is a common meal in your country?
A common meal in Algeria is couscous. Couscous is a dish of steamed semolina topped with a meat or vegetable stew. It is a very versatile dish that can be made with a variety of different ingredients. Couscous is often served as the main meal of the day, but it can also be eaten as a side dish or snack.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I do like cooking. I enjoy experimenting with different flavors and ingredients. I also like the challenge of creating a delicious and visually appealing dish. I am not a professional chef, but I am always learning new things about cooking.
When do you eat your main meal of the day?
I usually eat my main meal of the day in the evening. This is when I have the most time to cook and enjoy a leisurely meal. However, I sometimes eat my main meal at lunch if I am busy in the evening.
Describe a restaurant that you enjoyed going to. You should say where the restaurant was, why you chose this restaurant, what type of food you ate, and explain why you enjoyed eating in this restaurant.
Name of restaurant, Le Pejego. Location, El Bia, Algiers, Algeria. Why I chose this restaurant? I chose this restaurant because it is a traditional Algerian restaurant that serves delicious food. I had heard good things about it from friends, and I was not disappointed. Type of food, Algerian cuisine. Why I enjoy eating in this restaurant? I enjoy eating in this restaurant because the food was delicious and the atmosphere was very welcoming. The staff was friendly and attentive, and the prices were reasonable. I would definitely recommend this restaurant to anyone who is looking for a good meal in Algiers. Here are some specific details about my experience at Le Pejego. I ordered the couscous with lamb and vegetables. The couscous was perfectly cooked, and the lamb was tender and flavorful. The vegetables were also cooked perfectly, and they were all very fresh. The atmosphere in the restaurant was very relaxed and inviting. The walls were decorated with traditional Algerian artwork, and the tables were covered with white linens. There was a soft Arabic music playing in the background, which created a very calming atmosphere. The service at the restaurant was excellent. The waiter was very attentive and made sure that my water glass was always full. He also gave me some recommendations for other dishes on the menu. Overall, I had a very enjoyable experience at Le Pejego. The food was delicious, the atmosphere was welcoming, and the service was excellent. I would definitely recommend this restaurant to anyone who is looking for a good meal in Algiers.
Do many people eat in restaurants in your country?
Yes, many people eat in restaurants in Algeria. There are a wide variety of restaurants to choose from, including fast food restaurants, traditional restaurants, and fusion restaurants.
Which are more popular, fast food restaurants or traditional restaurants?
Fast food restaurants are more popular than traditional restaurants in Algeria. This is due to a number of factors, including the convenience of fast food, the lower prices, and the wider variety of options. However, traditional restaurants are still popular, especially among older people and people who are interested in Algerian culture.
Why do people enjoy eating out?
There are a number of reasons why people enjoy eating out. Some people enjoy the convenience of eating out, while others enjoy the social aspect of eating out. Still others enjoy trying new foods or eating at different restaurants.
What do you think a healthy diet consists of?
I think a healthy diet consists of a variety of foods from all food groups. It is important to include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats in your diet. It is also important to limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and saturated and unhealthy fats.
Do you think children should be taught about healthy diets and cooking at school or at home?
I think children should be taught about healthy diets and cooking at both school and home. This is because children learn about healthy eating from their parents and from the school environment. It is important for children to learn about the importance of eating healthy foods and how to cook healthy meals.
At what age do you think children should be taught to cook?
I think children should be taught to cook at a young age. This is because it is a valuable skill that they will use throughout their lives. Children can start by learning simple cooking tasks, such as making pasta or scrambled eggs. As they get older, they can learn more complex cooking tasks, such as baking or making a stir-fry.